Work. This is what I deal with on the daily. As soon as I come in, this is how they leave me too. This is how they leave me. Look at that. How you wash your dishes with all types of. This is what y'all leave in the. This is straight tenderism. When you be like. What the fuck is that? Just look at this shit, man. Just look at this shit, man. Just look at this shit, man. This is what I deal with, man. Coming in on the motherfucking, on some bullshit, man.